Before I talk about why it is important to visualize data, let me tell you a story. I attended a composting workshop in Los Angeles. The speaker is a gardener. He raised chickens as well as honeybees in his backyard. In the workshop, he told us that in the Los Angeles counties with 88 cities and a population of 10 million, there were 28 million tons of solid waste produced in 2017. When he wanted to tell his audience how much 28 million tons is, he thought that maybe he can visualize it by the size of Rose Bowl. That is, how many Rose Bowls will this 28 million tons of solid waste fill? Rose Bowl is a stadium and is a National Historic Landmark, so everybody in the US knows what it is. It has a capacity of 90,000 and has hosted 1994 World Cup final as well as 1984 Olympiad gold medal match. So he started looking for the size of the Rose Bowl. A simple Google search told us that the size of Rose Bowl is 4 hectares times 30 meters. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. So the volume of Rose Bowl is 4 times 10,000 times 30, which is equal to 1,200,000 cubic meters. Now, get back to the 28 million tons of solid waste. 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kg. So 28 million tons of solid waste is equal to 28 billion kg of solid waste. Then it came to what the relationship between mass and volume is. Remember the formula density is equal to mass over volume we learned in school? Another Google search told us that each cubic meter of solid waste roughly rates 300 kg. The volume of 28 billion kg of solid waste is 28 billion divided by 300, which is roughly 93 million cubic meters. So how many bowls does it take to hold the solid waste produced by Angelenos in 2017? We divide that 93 million by the volume of Rose Bowl can hold, so it roughly takes 78 Rose Bowls to hold them. So the moral of this story is, instead of saying Angelenos produced 28 million tons of waste in 2017, we say we need 78 Rose Bowls to hold their waste. Then people can visualize and understand how much waste they are producing.